I'm Jason Lewis, and you have just jumped on board with me on the old Suzuki DRZ400. We're gonna go up and make use of this thing as a dual sport bike. We're in Southern California. I'm in Santa Clarita, and this is Bouquet Canyon Road. And I've been stalking, I finally downloaded that app on X Off-Road, and I've been watching it for a couple of months to inspire me to get out in the dirt. So here we are. I found a trail on Del Sur Road that goes right off of this, and it's my most favorite thing I love about dual sport bikes. To be on a little street like this, to see a dirt road and go, huh, I wonder where that goes. So let's find out. Here we are. Woo! I'm on pretty much the worst tires for dirt right now. These things are absolutely awful, but we're out here. Woo! I mean, these tires are treacherous, but hey, we're gonna go slow. I'm an old guy. We'll try to stay upright today. And we'll take the length of this road. So yeah, so we're gonna just see how this trail, I have a feeling it's gonna be all pretty much like this, just kind of rutted out fire roads, and we're gonna get it right before this huge rainstorm comes, so they won't even look like this after tomorrow, which is kind of cool. Maybe we'll come back. Any excuse to get out in the dirt. But the DRZ's been running pretty good. Oh, man, it feels good to be out here. This bike has proven to be such a good score. Being able to just get out and do this and ride to these trails from my house is kind of next level. I mean, this is the dream right here. Interesting. Picking lines like that just kind of keeps you on your toes, especially with tires like this. We'll stop in a second and take a break. And I'll give you a quick rundown. I have a bit of a flat spot in the carburetor, but I knew that when I put the new really cheap kit in. So it's fine on the trail. The only time I really notice it, so yeah, it's fine on the trail. The only time I really notice that flat spot is running around on the highway, where you kind of really got to stay up in the revs. The DRZ kind of excels in this tractory off-road stuff, especially for an older guy like me. That's kind of new, coming back in, refreshing my skills. I don't got anything to prove to anybody. I'm really out here to be out here and just enjoy it. Oh, and am I? I really am. Yeah, it's got, like I say, it's got plenty of power for this kind of stuff, especially for these tires. If I ever got real dual sport tires, like good knobbies, I would definitely want to address the power situation, get all of it. But right now it's got plenty for how slippery it is. Come to think of it, I never even checked the tire pressures. I have no idea what I'm at right now. Bad on me right there. But it feels all right. We're still upright. Knock on wood. So according to the map, we just came through here. I'm recording the track there. Looks like we're about, what, 2/3 of the way through, and then we're gonna drop back down here, back to Bouquet Canyon right about there. I'm really digging this. It's a fun thing to have that as an inspiration to get you back in the dirt. Man, I don't know what's wrong with my brain. I can't get out here as much as I'd like. Here's a better shot of the tires and the tread that I'm just trying to make it work for now. Just don't want to invest, don't have the money to invest in it at the moment. It runs. I'd love to get a better carb kit for it. All of that stuff, but right now you can kind of see what we're working with. But for what it is and for what I got it for, it is an absolute blast. Let's restart on the Onyx. Excellent. Be fun to look at that when we get home. I'm just gonna be quiet for a few miles and see if you guys enjoy being on board. Let's go check this thing out. So this has to do with that LA aqueduct. So if you see, it goes all the way along those mountains there and just goes up forever and on down into LA. There's a series of these along here. See another one way over there. Pretty cool. All right, we want to be over there according to our map, so we're gonna go back down. Let's make a loop out of it. Love this. Hopefully once I get a little bit more comfortable and get some skills back, this riding will be way more interesting. But for now, it's just the old guy and his old DRZ400 enjoying some fire roads. And then we'll be able to ride home. It is the absolute reason these things are just amazing. I mean dual sports in general, but being able to score an old DRZ like this and get out here and clear the brain is fantastic. I have zero confidence in big sweepers like that with these tires. The front end just feels like it wants to exit the chat at every moment. Ah, are you seeing this? So pretty. The brakes feel pretty good. I'm glad I invested in that upgrade when I was freshening it up. Both front and rears, definitely dramatic improvement from when I got the thing. And here we are, Bokeh Canyon. Gosh, I'm kind of not done riding dirt. I might just turn around, keep going, and go back. All right, I just paused the recording, and since I'm feeling pretty sporty, I don't really feel like I'm done. But the day, like we're losing light, it's what, 6:15? According to this, check this out. Onyx says that I could get right across Bokeh and stay on dirt all the way over here to Sierra Highway. That is super cool. This is a rad bit of information that next time if I can get my butt out of the house sooner, I'm definitely gonna take that, because I live up over here. Yep, let's go home. Let's head home and call it a good day. Very successful run. And there's that trail. So it's a dirt bike only trail. I love that. Great discovery. And then yet I get to bask in this wonderful scoot down the canyon road here. So thank you guys for hopping on board for this little scoot up into the hills. That was a really nice little bit of dirt. Enjoying this little floaty drive through the canyon on my way home. Wow, so glad to have gotten this. Thank you guys for coming along, and until next time, enjoy your ride. Woo-hoo.